What key points should we keep in mind like when we are doing any kind of research?
I think there are several points actually which are very important. But if I was to choose one, I think we should focus on research which is interesting for us, for ourselves as people, as researchers, and then to focus on what we want to contribute to that topic, what knowledge we want to bring to the world, to our university, and to the academic field we are in.
Yeah. Do you have any message for our students of LLDIMS specifically?
Uh, Maybe I would like to wish them good luck with their studies and to inspire them perhaps with the idea that whatever they set out to achieve, if they persist and if they work hard, they will achieve that.
How was your time here in the campus?
Oh, it was so nice to be here, and thanks a lot for a warm welcome to everyone, to the dean, to colleagues. I'm excited to be here.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Very welcome.